So here's a small shirt. I'm just going to try something completely different for a discharge dye. So I'm going to loosely scrunch. And I forgot to grab. And add just a couple of rubber bands to hold it generally in place before coming in with the sinew. And I'm doing a couple of passes on each. With no particular pattern in mind. And this is being pulled pretty tight. And this is a good use for the end of roll for the sinew. Alright, since there's not enough left to do another pass, I'll go ahead and pull this. Do a light pass over so I can tie that. And we'll go bleach this. To bleach this one, it's incredibly simple. You place in the bleach, and it might float a little. If so, just flip it over every minute or so. Leave it for a maximum of 5 minutes. Then rinse it out in either the sink or the tub for at least 10 minutes to try to get out as much bleach as possible. And then you can place it in your washing machine. Usually run about 2 cycles to try to get out all the remaining bleach, and then you should be good to go. Well, I ended up getting distracted working on another shirt, so it's actually set on the back side for about 4 or 5 minutes, and the top was maybe 45 seconds to a minute. I'm going to leave it like this, go ahead and do the washout, and we'll see what happens.